Hi everyone, it's Fatty here, and today guys I'm going to be showing you how to jailbreak iOS 14 with the Checkra1n Jailbreak. Checkra1n Jailbreak has been updated to support A8x devices and A9x devices. Those are the iPad Air 2, the iPad Pro 1st generation, the iPhone 6s, the iPhone SE. And you will find a full list for supported devices in the first link in the description. So to jailbreak your device with the Checkra1n, you need to have macOS machine or Linux. If you have a Windows machine, it's not gonna work. You will have either to install Linux or to install Hackintosh in your Windows device. For me, I've installed Hackintosh in my Windows device, so I'm gonna be using it to jailbreak my iPhone. And this is the initial release of a Checkra1n for iOS 14. It is expected to be updated in the next few weeks to support all devices till the A11 processor iPhones, which are the iPhone X. So without further ado, let's get started. From your computer, the first thing you want to do is to download Checkra1n Jailbreak. So you want to go to this link, I will leave down below, and then go to get the beta now. From here, click download for macOS. If you are using a Linux machine, it will say download for Linux. So for me, I'm using a macOS. I'm going to click here, download for macOS. And after Checkra1n has finished downloading, double tap it and then move Checkra1n to applications folder. Now open Launchpad and then scroll. You will have Checkra1n Jailbreak app here. Click it. And when you open Checkra1n for the first time, you're going to get this error in macOS devices. So just click OK, go to settings, then security and privacy, and then general, and here click open anyway. Click open and it will open Checkra1n for you. I do have an iPhone 6 on iOS 12.4.3, but this method works for iOS 14 as well. Now connect your iPhone to the computer. Once your device is connected, just click start here and then click next, and it will enter recovery mode for you. Now in the Checkra1n app, it asks you to put your device into DUF mode. To do this, just follow the instruction that will appear in the Checkra1n app. It will be different from an iPhone to iPhone. So for me, I'm going just to click start and keep pressing the home and side button. Now release the power button and keep holding the home button. This may not work from the first try. Now it's jailbreaking on my iPhone, as you can see. If you get this error that has error code 20 while jailbreaking, what you're gonna do is just exit out of Checkra1n and then restart your iPhone. And after restarting your iPhone, go to settings, turn on the airplane mode, sign out of your iCloud account, and turn off your passcode. Now you need to reopen Checkra1n Jailbreaking app, go to options here and check safe mode. Get back and hit start. Then click next. Now just hit start and follow the instructions. And this error is likely to happen if you had Checkra1n installed before and you have downloaded tweaks from Cydia. Now as you can see in my iPhone, I have Checkra1n. You're gonna just enter Checkra1n here and you will have here install Cydia. So just to click install Cydia, this will install you the Cydia from where you can download the tweaks. I'm just gonna connect to Wi-Fi now, and now as you can tell, Cydia is working and you can start installing the tweaks on your iPhone running iOS 14. Now most of the jailbreak tweaks doesn't support iOS 14, so you will have to wait until the developers update their tweaks. And that's it for this video. If you liked it guys, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more jailbreaking and iOS videos. I'll catch you guys in the next one.